Question number 1. Which type of seizure involves both hemispheres of the brain? The correct option is D. Generalized seizures. Question number 2. Which protein accumulates in Alzheimer's disease? The correct option is C. Beta amyloid. Question number 3. Which lobe of the brain controls voluntary movements? The correct option is A. Frontal lobe. Question number 4. The blood-brain barrier is primarily formed by. The correct option is B. Astrocytes. Question number 5. Which the neurotransmitter associated with pain modulation is? The correct option is C. Substance P. Question number 6. Which cranial nerve is responsible for the gag reflex? The correct option is D. Cranial nerve 10. Question number 7. Parkinson's disease is characterized by which type of tremors? The correct option is B. Resting tremor. Question number 8. Locked-in syndrome result from damage to the. The correct option is A. Brain stem. Question number 9. Which neurotransmitter is inhibitory in the CNS? The correct option is C. GABA. Question number 10. Which type of seizure involves a brief loss of awareness? The correct option is A. Absence seizures. Question number 11. Which neurotransmitter is primarily responsible for muscle movement? The correct option is C. Acetylcholine. Question number 12. What is the hallmark sign of a basilar skull fracture? The correct option is A. Bettle's sign. Question number 13. Which cranial nerve is responsible for hearing? The correct option is C. Cranial nerve 8. Question number 14. Which part of the brain is responsible for memory formation? The correct option is D. Hippocampus. Question number 15. The parasympathetic nervous system mainly releases. The correct option is B. Acetylcholine. Question number 16. Which nerve is compressed in carpal tunnel syndrome? The correct option is C. Medial nerve. Question number 17. The best method to sterilize surgical instrument is? The correct option is C. Autoclaving. Question number 18. Which immunoglobulin is the first to respond during an infection? The correct option is C. IgM. Question number 19. Which position is recommended for a patient in a respiratory distress? The correct option is B. CV Fowler's. Question number 20. the normal range of arterial blood pH is? The correct option is B. Question number 21. The most common site of fracture in osteoporosis is? The correct option is C. Hip. Question number 22. Which vitamin promotes calcium absorption in bones? The correct option is A. Vitamin D. Question number 23. The nurse should perform hand hygiene for at least. The correct option is C. 20 seconds. Question number 24. A patient with cyanosis is likely experiencing. The correct option is A. Hypoxemia. Question number 25. The antidote for benzodiazepine overdose is? The correct option is D. Flagyl. Question number 26. Which antibiotics is known as to cause ototoxicity? The correct option is C. Gentamicin. Question number 27. In a patient with COPD, the priority oxygen saturation target is? The correct option is A. 88 to 92%. Question number 28. In nursing, the first step of nursing process is? The correct option is C. Assessment. Question number 29. Which term describes a false fixed belief? The correct option is B. Delusion. Question number 30. Electroconvulsive therapy is most commonly used for? The correct option is C. Severe depression. Question number 31. Which medication is used to treat iron overdose? The correct option is C. Deferoxamine. Question number 32. The recommended amount of folic acid during pregnancy is? The correct option is B. 400 microgram per day. Question number 33. Which neurotransmitter is primarily involved in depression? The correct option is A. Serotonin. Question number 34. The nurse first priority in a psychiatric emergency is to? The correct option is B. Ensure safety.
Question number 35. In diabetes, what is the cause of polydipsia? Correct option is A. B. Dehydration. Question number 36. When a patient has arthropenia, the best position is? The correct option is C. High Polaris. Question number 37. Which insulin has the fastest onset? The correct option is C. Lysifro. Question number 38. The normal urine output per hour in adult is? The correct option is D. 30 to 50 milliliter. Question number 39. A patient with liver cirrhosis is at risk of Correct option is A. Bleeding. Question number 40. Which test is done before a blood transfusion? The correct option is C. Cross-match test. Question number 41. What is the first action if intravenous infiltration occurs? Correct option is D. Staph infusion. Question number 42. Which organ regulates acid-base balance? The correct option is C. Lungs. Question number 43. Which precaution is used for C. ductal infection? Correct option is A. Contact precaution. Question number 44. Common sign of dehydration in elderly is? Correct option is B. Confusion. Question number 45. What is the main cause of hypothalamic shock? The correct option is C. Blood loss. Question number 46. What is the best site to assess skin turgor in elderly? The correct option is A. Sternum. Question number 47. Which lab indicates kidney function? The correct option is B. Blood urea nitrogen. Question number 48. Which lab results indicates infection? The correct option is D. High white blood cells. Question number 49. Which position is ideal for a patient after liver biopsy? The correct option is D. Right lateral D. Question number 50. What is the primary symptom of nephrotic syndrome? The correct option is B. Proteinuria.